Hello, Atherton Junior Senior High School teachers. It is time once again for us to get ready for parent-teacher conferences. Spring parent-teacher conferences are on April 5th, and they are going to run just like our fall ones. The conferences will take place via Zoom, and parents will sign up for the conferences on the Calendly website. So our goal here is that you will learn how to set it up on Calendly, put the link in to our spreadsheet, and get ready for conferences. So step one, I'm going to go to my calendar because as we learned last year, I've got to make sure that Monday, April 5th has nothing on it. So I'm going to scroll ahead to Monday, April 5th, and I'm going to look. Oh, wait, I set myself a reminder that we had parent-teacher conferences. I can't have that there because if I do, it blocks parents from putting anything in between 8 and 9. So I'm going to delete that, and now as you can see, my April 5th is wide open. Step 2, let's go to the Calendly app. Everyone should have this from last fall. If you don't, please see me. I'll be happy to help you set one up. In the Calendly app, we are going to now create our event. I'll click on Create and Event Type. This is a one-on-one event because it's just me meeting with a parent. So I'll create. Step 1, okay, let's give this a name. We're going to call this Mr. Plies Conferences. Add a location. We're doing this through Zoom, so I'm going to click Zoom as my location. For the description, you can feel free to put something in here, but it's not necessary. You can see it creates the link. And lastly, I can pick any color I want for how it looks on my Calendly app. I like yellow because it's a bright, happy, sunny color. And I hit Next. Okay, this is important. When is it going to happen? How is it going to happen? How long are these events? This is a one-day event. So I'm going to select within a date range. Click on the empty box. And again, I'm going to find April 5th. Here's the secret. You have to click on April 5th twice because it's the starting date and the ending date. Once you click on April 5th twice, you can click Apply. And now that's the date of the event. How long do you want the event to last? Well, we like parent-teacher conferences to last about 10 minutes, so we're going to say Custom. And I want it to be 10 minutes long. Scroll down. How do you want to offer the availability? Well, we're going to set custom hours because we have a morning session, an afternoon session, and then an evening session. So I select custom hours. Once again, I've got to find April 5th, and I click on that box, and my choice is I would like to edit the date. And as you can see, April 5th is the only day highlighted. Now, what hours are you available? Well, when are we going to start? We're going to start at 8. So I'm going to set that at 8. But we're going to stop at 11 because I would like to have lunch. So I'm going to click 11. There's my morning session. Over here you'll see a plus sign. I'm going to click on that and I'm going to put my afternoon session in. Start at 11:30 and we get out at 2:30, so I will click that. Lastly, we need our evening session. Click my plus sign again. We're going to start at 4. And we're going to be done by 7. So there are my 3 session times, 8 to 11, 11:30 to 2:30, 4 to 7. And I'm going to click the blue Apply button. And as you can see on my calendar, it now shows 3 sessions for that date. Okay, we keep scrolling down. Buffers. Do we want a buffer? Right now I'm going to say no because we're going to set these up as 15-minute increments, so it'll build in a 5-minute buffer for you any day. Lastly, this is important, additional rules for your availability. Click on that. What are the time increments? Again, these are 10-minute meetings, but I want to set it up for 15-minute time increments. That way there's automatically a buffer built in. Scheduling conditions. When do I want to stop letting people sign up? My basic rule of thumb is I probably would like them to be okay to sign up in the morning or in the afternoon for this, but I really don't want somebody signing up at the last minute because I might not be ready for it. So I'm going to say probably 2 hours from the start time. And that's it for this page. So I hit next. Last thing, we're going to go to invitee questions. Well, we want their name. We'd like to know their email. But I also want to know what their child's name is. So I'm going to click this third box. And when I do, I get the ability to edit it. And I'm going to change this to child's name. That way I know who we're talking about. And I'm going to click the box here and make it required because, yes, I really do want to know what your child's name is. And hit apply. We're all set there, so we can hit save and close. We are all set. Our event is set up, so now we're going to check it. Up in the corner, you see the C. That's going to take us to our home page. And now I have this event. It's Mr. Ply's conferences. They last 10 minutes. I can get a link for it. But we're going to double check to make sure we set it up right. So we're going to click right here, View Booking Page. This is what the parents are going to see. They'll see Mr. Ply's conference. They will see that the 5th is the only optional. They can click on it, so click on the 5th. And over here, you're going to see all the times that parents can choose to meet with you. And again, you can see we set them up in 15-minute increments. So that gives us a 5-minute buffer for every meeting. And as long as this looks good and everything looks right, you're all set. As you can see, this opened up a separate tab, so I can just close that tab and I'm right back to here. Because now I want to copy the link. So I'm going to click on that. It's going to copy it to my dashboard. Last step. We're going to go to that document that I shared with you. It's the Google Sheet for parent-teacher conferences in spring. So after the junior high, spring parent-teacher conferences, I did copy over your Zoom links from the fall. So please double check that that is the Zoom link you want to use. If it's not, please go ahead and change it. But what we're going to do is we are going to set up our meeting link. So I'm going to go to Mr. Ply, and as you can see, click link to select time. I'm going to create my link here, click on that box. I am going to right click, and I'm going to say I want to insert a link. What do I want this to be called? I'm going to call it Mr. Ply's sign up link. What is the actual link? Well, this is the one that's coming from the Calendly app, so I just hit Control V to paste it in, and I say apply. And there it is. So my link is in there. If I don't have a Zoom link, I'll add my Zoom link. You'll make sure that your email address is in here. It also doesn't hurt to test this. Click on the link, make sure it takes you to that page. Yes, it does. Okay. So I can close that. And you are all set. You are ready for parents to sign up for your parent-teacher conferences in the spring. If you have any questions, as always, please stop in and see me. Hope this helps.